This LGC 2408 is the latest centerless grinder from LGC and is unique in offering the kind of high-end features that you could only dream of purchasing for your operation in the past, bringing you a whole new grinding experience. The LGC 2408 is a machine unlike most other grinders. It has been designed from the ground up to be a fully enclosed, fully featured, space-saving centerless grinding machine. All of the covers on this machine are very sturdy, welded sheet steel and designed to guarantee the safety of operators during operation. The grinding wheel cover itself, rather than being sheet metal, is a highly rigid cast iron structure for ultimate strength and safety. The grinding wheels are all servo controlled for supreme accuracy, and the guideways are imported linear guideways, so there can be no doubts as to the accuracy of the movement they produce. This machine features a hydrostatic spindle, and LGC is the only manufacturer in Taiwan which can offer their own brand hydrostatic spindle to their customers. The hydrostatic spindle provides ultra-low friction, almost zero wear and tear, and incredible rigidity, and LGC guarantees this spindle for at least 3 years of perfect operation. This grinder has been designed with clients' needs in mind and provides automatic lateral movement on both sides with both the grinding wheel and regulating wheel self-adjusting to guarantee centering of the bar material, ultra-low stress and very high machining accuracy. The super rigid cast base of this structure has a truly unique feature. The work blade is attached to a special plate on the machine base for super rigidity and strength. The NC control on this machine is simple and easy to use, whilst providing great accuracy for the very best grinding experience. As we can see here, the two-sided design of this machine offers customers a unique advantage in that rather than constantly needing to offset machines both horizontally and vertically to allow for their bar feeders, the double-sided movement saves space and increases accuracy by allowing for centering to be performed within the machine itself. The LGC 2408 is a truly special machine which has been designed specifically to meet customers' demands. The matchless hydrostatic spindle, the fully enclosed ultra-safe design, the combination of the dual-side movement to ease production, and the high-quality components used throughout make this machine a must-have partner for your production operations.